Okay, excuse my room kasi super kalat niya. I'm actually late. Oh my god. My appointment is 1 p.m. and magbibiyahe pa ako. So, kain muna ako ng slide kasi baka mahilo ako. Hindi ako naligo. Hindi ko na niliguan yung hair ko kasi liliguan naman siya there. Let's go down. Dalawa yung bag na dinadala ko lagi. One for the slating and one for the essentials. Ouch! Grabe, it's so hot. I'm going to Jan Hair Extensions. I need to pa-kulay my hair na and I need a treatment. So, I will update you guys na lang once I'm there. I am here, y'all. Medyo nahirapan lang ako sa parking kasi ito hindi siya papasok. So, I did it.
Siya, ma'am. Nag-indicate ka ng lightness, tapos is light warm. Moderate na yellow tone ka. Nasa warm tone ka talaga. Hindi siya neutral. Siguro man pag nag-a-ashy ka, kaya na-appreciate mo siya. Mas nangingibabaw yung puti mo dun.
Opo.
Pero nagiging pale ka. Kaya need mo mag-makeup. Pag wala kang makeup, ma'am, nawawash out mo.
So, hi guys. Nag-half bath ako kasi I cannot wash yet my hair. It's so haba, guys. Hanggang dyan siya. Like, this is actually the longest hair that I had in my whole existence. I just wanted to update you guys. Tapos, umuwi ako kanina na malinis yung room ko. Excuse my spot treatment on my skin right now. Because, you know, I've been breaking out lately. That's why may mga spot treatment ako. But, gusto ko lang ulit i-flex yung hair ko. Just look how long it is. Ang dami kong dala. Grabe, so init. Mami, do you know where's my wallet? Yung color white? Ilagay ko. Wala akong cash. Baka kailanganin ko. Thank you. Naka 2.5 kilometer kami for tonight. And our goal for tomorrow will be 4 kilometers. got a new vanity, guys. So, this is from IKEA. Nawiwerdohan ako sa salamin ko dito because it's so small. I think I have to buy a new one. A much bigger. Meron ako isang vanity dito sa kabila niya. Katabi lang niya, guys. And the mirror there is so freaking big, as you can see. And please, IKEA, I'm from Pampanga pa. Sana naman i-make sure nyo na complete talaga. Sabi na nag-assemble kanina, kulang siya, guys. I am so happy with my purchase. And I wanna keep it like really simple like that. So, let's do a vanity makeover. Did this before. Dito sa old vanity ko. I don't know if I'm gonna sell this one because I think it's gonna be useful pa. Kaya I don't wanna sell it. But malay nyo soon, pati Alex drawer and added this one. This one is for extra drawers. That's why I wanna add it because I have lots of makeup. When I say a lot, like a lot. So, I'm planning talaga na dito sa top is mga pang everyday na ginagamit ko. Like always, ginagamit ko dito sa top. And then, here is like my things. And oh my gosh, I forgot to buy yung, how do you call that? Yung parang mga organizers, acrylic organizers. That will help sana to organize everything. And as of now, wala pa akong acrylic organizers. I'm just gonna use my old one. Update, guys, I'm almost done. Pero hindi siya organized. Kasi wala pa akong acrylic organizers. Dito lang ako may acrylic organizers, as you can see. Pero grabe, hindi pa talaga siya organized. I know the layout is kinda weird, pero ito lang kasi yung nakikita kong okay. Kasi I feel like okay talaga dito tong 3x3 na drawers ko. Yan, hindi ko rin kasi expect na sobrang laki niyan. Get things done. Wala akong ginawa kundi puro phone. Naiinis ako. I need to get things done. Wait lang, sobrang dami. Hindi ko na alam kung anong gagawin ko. I'm gonna show you guys my artworks. Actually, we're having an exhibit, pero hindi ko alam kung mapopost ko tong vlog na to before or after the exhibit. But I will be happy to invite you guys, especially kung taga-AUF kayo, SM Talabastagan, kasi it will happen on SM Talabastagan. Would appreciate if you come over or if you can drop by in our exhibit. Where? Feeling ko lalagnatan ako. I'm on the way to my school right now. Kasi parang hindi ko alam kung anong ganap sa school namin. Parang sabi photoshoot kineme for our costume. Anyways, this is the shampoo that I use. It's from Hello Glow. Because I don't ligo talaga. Ayoko naliligo pagkagising. And also just to save more time in the morning for getting ready. I'm gonna use this one. Protection mist. Just to protect my hair from the heat. Ngayon ko lang na-realize that hair is a part of your outfit. I always make sure that my hair is also presentable every time I go out. I don't know which necklace I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use a bangle today. Bagay ba siya? Maybe I just go for this one. This is from Bourbon. Look at my Bourbon accessories. Thank you so much, Bourbon, for sending these over. Antay ko pa yung mga acrylic organizers ko, guys. Before ko i-final setup tong vanity ko, just curl my hair now para hindi na ako malate. And I hope merong parking later. Lagi akong nagsistruggle sa parking. This curler is from Stay Young. I've been using this for 2 years now. So, imagine. I love this. Hindi ko alam kung meron pa kayong mabibili na ganito sa online. Because last time I checked, parang phase out siya. I don't know. Pero it's so much better. And it's so affordable. Yung kulot ko talaga, hindi siya nawawala. Every time, ito yung gamit kong pang curler. Currently, 12:23. And I have to be in school at 1 p.m. Bubiyahe ako like around 30 minutes. I'm done. Tutuwa talaga ako sa bag na to. Dami mo nang malalagay. 3 pa lang siya. I need to go now, guys. Kasi kailangan ko nang umalis. I'm on the way to the school. ako ngayon. So, I went to register kanina to request a letter because meron akong requirements na need actually settled before I graduated. I need to settle that. Kung hindi ako makagraduate. Please, sa mga expert dyan sa cars, or ask your boyfriend, ano matanggal yung mga lotions sa car? Like, this one. Kasi hindi ko maiwasan na mag-lotion na sometimes sunscreen with white cast. Then, nagkukulay siya dito. It's not giving.
Verify ko lang, you're having one venti mango dragon with lemonade and then one pistachio drink. Yeah. So may under for yan na lang. Thank you.
Thank you. Sana pala nag-drive-thru na lang